I'll be honest with you, I wasn't expecting the 3.5mm jack to be on there, but I'm relieved that they have it. I do not use 3.5mm headphones whatsoever. I even sold the AKG ones that came in with this phone because I do not use them, but there is something I do use that port for. My friends, microphones.
Woo!
If you want good quality audio with your videos, there's nothing that beats a microphone like one of these.
Definitely.
And all these attachments. You can get a wireless microphone attachment on there. There's so much usage you can get there. So if you're making videos, having a 3.5mm jack helps out so
It's
much.
awesome.
And I'm surprised that none of these like tech reviews actually mention that 3.5mm jacks is useful for other things than just
Exactly.
listening.
That's true. But I don't have that with my iPhone. iPhone, bring it back. Seriously, bring it back.
Well, we did actually do some shooting with that phone. You got to use that lightning to 3.5mm adapter.
It's just so long. By the time you get it, it's like wonky.
It's not just that, it's so flimsy.
Yes.
Like, I feel like it's going to rip
gonna
apart
break.
at any moment.
It will. You know, one of the last and final things that I like about this phone is the speaker quality.
Today is a special day because it is prom. No pictures. Over here, you get two speakers now. You get a speaker on the front and a speaker on the side, and it sounds a lot clearer. Like, before with my S7, I need to always be close to the phone to hear it. But with this guy, I can actually go into the other room and I'd still hear good quality. So
That's really cool.
the range is more dynamic.
Really good.
It sounds nicer, and if you're holding it on one end and accidentally block the speaker, you can also hear it on the other speaker.
That's awesome.
And it just
That's really
it makes
cool.
more sense when watching something. It's a lot more engaging, and with the big screen, it fills it up. I love watching things on this little. It feels like a candy bar. Honestly.
Do you know what would be awesome is if you had it in a VR thing, the quality of the picture, and you'd be like, wow.
That's really cool. Oh my god, that's really cool.
It's awesome.
Whoa, we're here. I forgot. I want these seats. Forget this, I want the seats. Okay, Google.
I have to say, your phone is pretty damn fast.
My friends, microphones. Today is a special day.
Goodbye, iPhone. You're now officially my ex-iPhone.